Thank God. Nagising ka na pala. We're so worried about you.
Dad. Si Gavin po.
Oh, maya-maya nandito na yon. Don't you worry.
Si Mom.
Okay mo, lumabas lang. Kinausap lang yung doktor mo. Sandali.
Ay, babasik ko na. Alaala ko.
No, don't force yourself. Makakasama sa'yo. Pabalik din yan. Kamagay lang. Masama sa'yo yan. Okay?
Alam ko, honey, Gavin na wala ang mga alaala ko. Siya worried yun.
Sana ako na lang yung nakalimot.
The time I met you, so afraid that you will not be true. But deep in my heart, I hear a whisper that to love you is for all I care. If you do me wrong, I promise I'll be strong. And always will I do forgive you, 'cause true love stays to see us through.
Imposible. Of all the things, yung affair pa talaga niya yung makakalimutan niya. I'm sure she's lying, Mom.
Grace, mukhang totoo naman na sinasabi niya.
And why am I not surprised na si Ate Dom yung kinakampihan niyo?
Ganyan ka ngayon. Hindi ko nagustuhan ang tono ng panalita mo. Pakatalas ng dila mo, Grace.
Please, huwag na kayo mag-away. Totoo naman po eh. Diba? You always favored Ate Dom more than Kuya. Pareho kasi kayo.
Gracie.
What do you mean? What am I trying to say? Huh?
You both think na you're the best. Pero hindi nyo nga man lang nakikita yung efforts ni Kuya Gavin. And maybe, ayun din yung reason kung bakit nag-cheat si Ate Dom kay Kuya. Kasi she thought na Kuya Gavin is beneath her. Tapos ngayon sasabihin niya she doesn't remember. No way. Di ako maniniwala sa kanya. And hindi niya pwedeng takasan yung ginawa niya kay Kuya.